Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Ford Fiesta in frozen white with an incredibly low mileage at just 31,296. This is the Zetec model here, and it comes with some fantastic features including the 15-inch alloy wheels. You've also got the cloth interior on the inside here, and you've also got the Bluetooth connectivity, CD and radio. This car also features the heated windscreen and tinted rear windows. This particular model is also the EcoBoost, so features the 1 litre engine and is in great condition. This car has also got full service history and is supplied with a 6-month warranty. If you do have any further questions on this particular vehicle or would like to book an appointment, please feel free to visit our website, or you can also give us a call on 01323 898818.